Hi students, in this class I am going to explain about the concept of topology. In this topology we discuss about the definition, different types of topology and some definitions on the and theorems on the topology. First we define the definition of topology. Let X be any set and tau be the family of subset of X. It satisfies the following condition. First one is phi belongs to tau, that is null set belongs to tau. Second one is X belongs to tau. Third one is any union of members of tau is a member of tau. Fourth one is intersection of any two members of tau is again a member of tau. Then it is called a topology on X. And the pair X comma tau, the ordered pair X comma tau is called the topological space. This is the definition of the topology. X ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು main set, ಟೌ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಈ ಟೌನ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 4 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟು ಆ ಟೌವಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಟೌ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮೇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಟೌ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಂತ, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೌ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಟೌ. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಸೆಟ್ಟನು ಆ ಟೌ ಒಳಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿ, ಟೌ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ಟೌ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ 4 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಟೌ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೌ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. Okay, observe the one note. The members of tau are called the open sets. It is which are the elements of the tau that elements are or that sets are called the open set of the topology. Next we see the examples on the topology. Let X is equal to A B C. Tau is equal to phi comma X comma singleton A comma singleton B comma set AB. Tau is a topology on X, therefore X tau is a topological space. Observe that it is a topology or not. You know that what is the meaning of topology. If the tau satisfies the 4 properties, then only you say that tau is a topology, otherwise it is not a topology. Observe that the 4 properties holds are good in this example are phi belongs to tau, first property is satisfied, X belongs to tau, second property is satisfied. Observe the third property. What is the third property? Union of any two members of tau is again present in the tau. Then we say that third property. Observe that phi union X is a X present, and phi union A is present, phi union B is present, phi union AB is present, X union A X is present, X union B X is present, X union A comma B again X is present, and A union B AB is present, B union AB is present. Therefore third property is satisfied. Again observe that fourth property is satisfied or not. What is the fourth property? Intersection of two members of tau is again a member of tau. Phi intersection is phi present, phi intersection A phi is present. Similarly all the all the elements the fourth property is satisfied. Therefore tau is a topology on X. Observe the second example. Let X equal to A comma B comma C. Tau is equal to phi comma X comma singleton A comma B comma AC. Observe that tau is a topology or not. Clearly it is not a topology. Why it is not a topology? Observe that 4 properties are satisfied or not. First property is satisfied, second property is also satisfied. Observe the third property. Phi union X is present, phi union A is present, phi union B is present, phi union AC is present. Observe that in this, if you take these two members A and B, union of singleton A union singleton B is equal to AB set, but AB set is not present in the tau. Therefore third property is not satisfied. Therefore it is not a topology. Next, there are two types of the topology. One is the indiscrete topology, another one is the discrete topology. What is the meaning of indiscrete topology? Let X be any set, tau contains only null set and X. Tau is a set of null set and X, then tau is a topology on X and is called the indiscrete topology. Indiscrete topology ಅಂದರೆ tau ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆರಡೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಂಥ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿನ ಇಂಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೌ ಬಿ ದಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, then tau is a topology on X which is called the discrete topology. Indiscrete topology ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ 5 ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ, ದೆನ್ ಟೌ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 5, ಎಕ್ಸ್, singleton A, singleton B, singleton C, AB, BC, CA. Observe that in this topology all these subsets are present. Therefore, it is called a discrete topology. Next, we define the closed set. What is the meaning of closed set? Let X tau be a topological space. A subset A of X is said to be closed if A complement is open. Then we say that A is a closed set. X tau ಅನ್ನೋದು ಟೊಪಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಏನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಥ ಸೆಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಓಪನ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಓಪನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೌ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಓಪನ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ, ಬಿ, ಸಿ. Tau is equal to 5, x, a, b, set AB. Observe that it is clearly topology because it satisfies all the property. Therefore, X tau is a topological space. Next, I have to calculate the closed sets. What is the meaning of closed sets? The complement becomes the open. Therefore, you take the complement of the open sets. Here open sets are 5 is a open set, X is a open set, singleton A is a open set, singleton B is a open set, and set AB is also a open set because the members of tau are called the open sets. The complement of 5 is X. The complement of X is 5. The complement of A is BC. The complement of B is AC. The complement of AB is C. Therefore, the closed sets are the X, 5, singleton BC, singleton A, BC, set BC, set AC, and singleton C. Observe that if you take these complements, then the set becomes the open set. The complement of X is 5. The complement of 5 is X. The complement of BC is A. The complement of AC is B. And the complement of C is AB. You know that how to calculate the complement. ABC set ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ complement of A becomes A ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು BC ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ಆ ಥರ complement ನ calculation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. This is an example for the closed set. Next, I observe that in a discrete topology, you know that discrete topology, in the discrete topology only, in the discrete topology contain all the subsets. Here observe that let X tau be a discrete topology. Every subset of X is open because it contains the tau contains the all the subset. Therefore, every subset of X is open. Let you consider the set A is subset of X. Automatically, A complement is also subset of X because in the discrete topology it contains all subsets. Complement is also a subset of X. Main set is also a subset of X. Then A complement is automatically open set because the sets are present in the topology tau. Therefore, A is closed. Our conclusion is in a discrete topology, every subset of X is both open and closed. Next, we go the one theorem on closed set. Let X tau be a topological space. A is a subset of X. A is open if and only if A dash is closed. Observe the statement of the theorem. X tau ಅನ್ನೋದು ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ. A ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ X ಮತ್ತು ಓಪನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. If and only if A dash is closed. ಟೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೇನಂತಂದರೆ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಓಪನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎ ಇಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೌ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. We have to prove that A is open if and only if A dash is closed. Necessary and sufficient conditions. Given A is a subset of X. First part, you take and assume that A is a open set. If you assume A is open set, then you have to prove that A dash is closed. What is your assumption? A be an open set. You know that the properties of the complement, A complement of complement is equal to A. Therefore, A complement of complement equal to A. You know that A is open. Then, A complement of complement is open. Then, automatically A dash is closed. Because you know the definition of the closed set. That is, A of X is said to be closed if A dash is open. ಎ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟೇಕನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಓಪನ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಏನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟು ದಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ A complement of complement is open, therefore A complement is closed. First part is over. Second part. Let's assume that A dash be closed set, then we have to prove that A is a open set. A dash is a closed. By using the definition, A dash ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Then A complement of complement is open. Therefore, A is open because A complement of complement is nothing but the A is open. Second part is over. Next, observe the examples on the closed set. First one is, if A is open and B is closed, then we have to prove that A minus B is open. Second condition is, if A is closed and B is open, then we have to prove that A minus B is closed. Observe the proof of the examples. First one, given. What are the given condition? A is open set and B is closed set. Using these two conditions, we have to prove that A minus B is open. By using the given condition, A is open, B is closed. B is closed. By using the theorem, automatically B complement is open. Then we have to prove that A minus B is open. Consider A minus B. By using the property of sets, A minus B is always equal to the A intersection B complement is open. Why it is open? We know that A is open, B complement is also open. Intersection of two open sets is an open set. Therefore, this set becomes the open set. Then automatically A minus B is open set. Similarly, another one is given A is closed and B is open. Using these two conditions, we have to prove that A minus B is closed. A is closed, B is open. Therefore, by using the theorem, B is open, B dash is closed. Consider A minus B. A minus B is equal to A intersection B dash. Here A is also a closed set and B complement is also a closed set. Intersection of two closed sets is again a closed set. Therefore, A minus B is also closed.